Here we go. This is in the discovery section. Want to look at all the meals I've entered in here? Everything is here in the discovery section. What should I eat? What should I favorite? What should I put in my recipes? Everything's in here. So if you're looking for a breakfast, here's a breakfast, here's a lunch, dinner, here's a snack. If you're looking for smoothies, there is unlimited amounts of ideas and recipes that you can get going on your meal plan. Everyone is like, meal plans don't work. They do work because they give us our base level of calories in. And this is one of the faults that people don't know is what is truly going in the body. And a meal plan in phase one can do this. We know exactly what's going in. We can tell what is going to be our weight maintenance, what is going to be a weight gain, and what is losing weight. What are those calories? Meal plans can harness this in phase one. And it is awesome because going through this, I get to find out what foods you truly like, what macros are working for you. Is it high protein, high fat, low carb, or is it moderate protein, high carb, low fat? There's numerous ways to figure it out. That's where the coaching comes in, is to I figure all this out for you. Here's another cool part. You can put filters on. Okay, you can put breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. You can search for something. Prep times. You can search up to, I will only want to do a minute prep, a 1 hour, okay? 2 hour prep. That is going to be something like an Instapot or a slow cook, vegan, paleo, and then excluding any sort of allergy or food sensitivity. You just select on here. I'm gluten, dairy, tree nuts, soy, shellfish. Choose all those. It'll generate the recipes excluding those. High fiber tags. You want high fiber. You want one pot recipes. You want Instapot, slow cooker, salad, soup, smoothies. It's all in here, you guys, under the meal plan section. It's absolutely endless. The recipes that we've put in here over the years, meal plans, they can really get you started in a right way on what is truly working for you in your weight loss or muscle gain or whatever goals you have. We can get it started. Let's go.